Good morning, boys. How are you? I'm so happy to
Good
see all of
morning.
you.
Morning,
Good
miss.
morning.
Good morning. So, yeah. Okay. So, how is your holiday away from school been so long? How have you been? Good.
Good.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm happy that some of you are doing your work. Badr is regular. Excellent. Good job, Badr. Ahmed Naban also does his work. Turkey, yes. And Abdullah, you really need to work a little more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So can you, before I begin my lesson, can you tell me which lesson did we cover up in the last week? You did some social studies assignment, right? Which
Yes.
lesson did we cover last week?
Last week?
Yeah. Last week we did about one of the ancient civilization. 1 minute. Do you remember? Mm-hmm. Then how are you doing your work? That means your tutor is doing it, not you. Right?
No,
Hi,
I'm doing
Khaled.
it.
Good morning.
Doing it.
Hmm? Come on, tell me. Which lesson did we do?
The
Yes, Badr?
about the Indian
Okay, about a civilization that started in India many
yes,
thousand years ago. And what is the name of that civilization? It is known as the Indus Valley Civilization.
Indus Valley Civilization.
Okay. Now, as we know that Indus Valley civilization started on the banks of the Indus River. And why are we learning about that lesson? Because these ancient civilization has in the past have helped us to live in the present. And one of the most important thing of the ancient civilization, Indus Valley civilization, it is the way they lived 4500 BC. How they lived over there, the type of houses they lived, the layout of the well planned towns, everything is so like at that time when there was no technology, these people planned their town so well. They did so many things. And these ideas, what they used at that time, we are still using till present day. Okay? And which are the two important cities? One of the most important cities of the Indus Valley civilization was Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is a land, this place at the moment in Pakistan. Okay, so these excavation sites are still there and they have become like, tourist centers where people can go and visit these sites and see how the people live, how their land was planned. It's really beautiful. And I've uploaded some videos for you. So I guess most of you have watched those videos. Yeah, I remember Turkey saying nice video, Badr saying nice video. Okay, now today's lesson I'm going to teach you, we are going to learn about primary source. Now, can you tell me what do you mean by primary source? You already know primary and secondary sources. What is a primary source? Ahmed Naban,
Yes, miss.
what is a primary source, darling? Is it the main source or is it something that comes later? Badr, can you help him?
Comes later.
It comes later. Are you sure?
No, it comes now. It comes now.
And
It's
Abdullah,
the
yeah, right? You go to school. First, you go to secondary school, and after then you go to primary school. Now, first you go to the foundation and primary. So primary is the main source. So today we are going to learn about the primary sources, about the toys that were found during the excavation at the Indus Valley civilization river. I'm going to share the screen with you. Okay, can you all see this? Is it clear to you? Can you see the screen?
No.
no.
No?
No, I cannot.
You cannot. 1 minute. Okay, now
Loading.
you cannot see it.
No, it's written. The miss has started screen sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 sec. Yeah. Why it is showing? One minute, children. I don't know what something went wrong. Just give me a minute. Cannot minimize. It was there just now. You cannot see anything?
We cannot.
No.
Oh.
Now we can
Yeah,
see.
no, I can't
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
What you can see? You can
Edmondo.
The Edmodo.
only add Modo, but that is not what that is not what is supposed to be there.
Hmm.
Oh, it was showing just now and it went off. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just get the screen share. Back with you. I'm so sorry, children. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sorry. I'm sorry about it. It was a little technical glitch that took place. Okay, what is the title of this?
Primary
Primary
sources.
sources.
Indus
Indus
Valley
Valley
Games and
Games and
Toys.
Toys.
Yes, primary sources, Indus Valley, games and toys. Now, if you look at the picture, what can you see? You can see you can see the different types of
Chess.
games, right? Yeah, very good. Excellent.
Yeah, different games.
Yes, okay. Okay, so let's go to the objectives of this lesson. So we are going to analyze the social structure of early civilization in India and draw some conclusion from primary sources. So we are going to look at these toys that was used during the Indus Valley civilization. And we are going to find the similarities of the toys or of the games that we play in the present day. Okay. Introduction. Now, who's going to read the introduction for me?
Me.
Okay, read.
Me.
Archaeologists have found recreational objects that date to early Indus culture.
Okay, so archaeologists have found recreational objects that date to early Indus culture. What do you mean by recreational objects?
They
make
create it again.
They
Yeah.
created, what now I want to know the meaning of the word recreational.
They rebuild it.
Not really, darling. Okay, recreational means something that we use during our free time. Okay, the next point. Ahmadaban,
Yes.
read the next question, next point.
What do you think about these items may reveal about their lives of the people in ancient Indus Valley cities?
Yes. So what can you see over here? You can see a picture of a dog, right?
Yes.
And what
Yes.
what else can you see?
Cow.
A cow. Okay. So how do you think they made these toys?
By
With
wood.
clay.
Clay. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. Where my Abdullah Sahib? He's gone off.
No,
Okay,
I'm mute.
he's muted himself, and I cannot see Turkey also. Turkey,
I'm here.
yeah.
I'm here, I'm
Okay,
here.
Abdullah, read this question.
Can you name some non-electric that you may have played or know about?
Yeah, some non-electric non-electronic games. Okay. Have you played any game which is not electronic?
Me, yes.
Yes,
for sure.
Badr, which one?
The car.
The car, not electronic.
Yeah, also me like, oh no, like this.
Show me, you got a picture?
Monopoly.
I think it's like this.
Okay, yeah, I'll just push and it moves. But it has got some technology in it, right? Because if you push it, it then moves. So there's some friction that takes place. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you? Okay. Now, do these games look familiar to you?
Yes.
So you can
Chess.
imagine these people. Yes,
I
one
never played it.
who has played it.
Me.
Me.
This is a game of chess. Then here you can see some other on my left hand. You can see over here where the cursor is going. You can see some other games that the people of that time played. And what is this? This many of you have used this game. This
This is dice.
dice. Very good.
Really, guys?
Okay, let's use, okay, I'll be showing you the page 382 of your textbook and identify the games and the toys that were used during that period.
We love Fortnite.
Okay, we may find these games and toys familiar or similar to the ones we may have used or seen in the present day. Okay, now let's read this is from page number 382. I want someone to read it for me. Why Turkey? I can see him.
And those games and toy models, marble mask, and other recreational objects have been found in sands around the ancient Indus Valley cities. The artifacts you see on these pages were found in Harappa,
Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro, and Lothal. They were made between 3000 BC and 2000 BC. Although some of these artifacts are 5000 years old, similar items might be found in our own
Closet.
closet or on the living room floor, just as they do today. But a parent of 5000 years ago likely had to remind the children to put away their games and toys before bedtime.
Okay, very good, Turkey. Okay, so now what did you understand by this? It's such a simple paragraph. It's so easy to understand. I need someone to explain it to me.
They remember the old stuff.
They remember the old stuff, okay, which were found in
Miss, it's about the old games and toys.
the old games and toys, which are how many years old, Ahmed Naban?
Long 5,000 years ago.
5,000 years ago. Between which year, which period? Between 3,000
3000 BC.
and 2000 BC.
And
2000
2000 BC.
Okay. Abdullah Sahil, can you tell me there is something that is connecting till present day, how parents tell you about, say something about parents over here. Can you explain that part? What does it tell you? What did the parents in the past correct their children or tell them, give them a particular time to play? Or
Yeah, and they take their toys before they go to bed.
Very good. So do your parents tell you the same thing? Before you go to bed,
Yeah.
they put their mobile with you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Some of the parents take away the mobile at night, right? Before you go to sleep
Yes.
in your games.
Yeah.
Very good.
They take from me my PlayStation.
Okay. Now look at this game. How many of you play this game?
I
Me,
never.
no.
No?
Not me. I
Only
never
play
played.
لعبتها.
Before.
Yeah, you know what are these called? They are called marbles.
Marbles.
Very good. And can you see how the marbles of the in the old times how it was made?
Like wood.
Wood.
They look like
No,
wood,
clay,
but
clay.
was it really wood?
Clay, clay.
It was made of
Like stones.
yes, rounds or yes, very good, Abdullah. Or they would collect round stones to play, like you know, so they could play these various games over here. And there are so many marble games. Like I said over here, no one today knows the rule of this marble games. And there are many games of the ancient past, many people do not know, but they still play and make their own rules. Over here, you can see boys playing marbles. And I remember when I was a kid, I also used to play marbles with the boys around the town. Right? But we did not know how to play. It was really difficult, but boys used to be champions in this game. Can I go to the next slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this game. Aban, read over here.
I know it. I have to play it.
Game of chess. The game of chess began in India.
I know it, but I never
They
played.
are much lighter in weight. I know it. I have it now.
You'll know it, yeah. Now, what actually, can you tell me something about this game of chess? How does this help? What does it help?
I
Your
never
brain.
played it.
Never played it. You must try it.
There is two king. If one wing,
One
if
is-
one king got knocked down, the other team wins.
Yeah. So actually, what does this game teach you? How does it help you? How does it help an individual? We play these board games, but how do these board games help an individual?
Because they make people get focused on the game.
Excellent, excellent. They make you focus. They train your mind.
They will let
train-
you be nerd.
Yes, I cannot hear you.
They will let you be nerd.
No, not really nerd, but you know, but actually, and you know that this is the game of chess. Today they have championships worldwide, right?
Yes.
People can play
Yes.
hours together. They can play in the competition to win this game. It's a very tough game.
Miss,
Yes.
I have chess in my home now. I can get it.
Yeah.
Also-
Okay, bring it and show it.
also-
to them. Ask someone.
also-
Run and quickly bring it and show it if you can. If you know where it is.
عم بدر عنده كل شيء ما شاء الله. اي والله.
What are you saying?
سافر كل مكان بعد.
No talking in Arabic, please.
No, I said بدر ما شاء الله he have everything, every game.
Yeah. Khalid, I cannot hear you. Why? And Turkey, why did you mute yourself?
Who, me?
No, Turkey.
You don't hear me.
Okay, so we'll wait till Badr gets the game and then we'll continue. Yes, Badr? Oh, yes. Now, okay, so today you're going to try, after I finish my lesson, you're going to try to play the game of chess and learn the techniques, how to play chess. That is, you will learn something new. Let's go to the next slide. Wow. Who's going to read this for me? Khalid, are you there?
Yes.
Is that with us?
Okay.
الله خير.
Okay. Who's going to read this for me?
Me.
Read.
This ocarina or clay or white stone is shaped like a bird.
Yes. So what is the next? Hi, Turkey, come back. What is the next toy that did they find in the excavation? What is the next
Whistle.
one? A clay
Whistle.
whistle, which is called ocarina. You know what's a whistle?
Yes.
Yeah.
The thing that you blow and then it makes noise.
Yes, makes sounds. Okay, so this is a clay whistle. Now I've also added some modern designs of ocarina or clay whistles. So you get different shapes and different. Now, if you look at these clay whistles and look at this one that I'm showing you with the shape of an octopus, what is the difference can you see between these two? Khalid.
Okay.
Doctor,
They are
the
How do you think the octopus one, this blue one, made of?
made of marble.
Made of marble? Not exactly.
clay.
Clay.
It is made of
Clay.
ceramic, you know, yeah, somewhat like a mixture of
Clay.
clay, like, and then they give it a sheen, they paint it and give it.
Yeah.
But in the old days, they used to make whistle without any painting.
Miss,
Yes.
the whistles now we have it's plastic.
Now it is plastic, it is metal.
Yeah.
You also
It's
have metal ones. You know, your PE
Yes.
instructors and all, they have the metal ones, or the police and all, they have a metal whistle.
Yeah.
You know, when we were
Yeah.
kids, we used to like when anyone would give us a whistle, so it could make a lot of noise.
Noise.
See the lovely toys of the past. Wow.
This is mask.
Mask. So
Okay.
see the mask that you use in the past. How they would make it. What is the material that they used to make a mask?
Clay.
Clay and butters.
Yeah,
Clay
now,
and
if you look at the screen, you can tell me
But
what
now they make it at plastic.
Now
Yeah.
they make it of metal and they make it of different plastic and different types of material. There are a lot of synthetic materials which they used to make masks. But in the old days, they would make masks of terracotta. Can you read a word over here? Terracotta mask found in the Indus River Valley. What is terracotta?
Terracotta is a brownish red clay that has been barked and is used for making things such as a flower pot, small statues, and tiles.
Very good. Okay, they are baked and made into different articles that they can use. So one of the articles that they use is to make the mask. But today they use it for different products. Wow. Khalid,
Yeah.
read.
After the wheel was invented, it became a feature on some toys.
So once they invented a wheel, they started using the wheels on toys, right? You know, when you are small, I don't know whether you have played, but back home in India, when children were small and all, they used to have all these toys, you know, made of wood and all bullock carts, and they would like to drag along with them. And they are walking, they would pull it along because the cart would move. So you can see the different types of toys.
Yes.
And most of the toys, what do they show you? They show you which animal?
Bull.
Bull and chicken,
Yeah, that's a chicken over there.
horse.
Yes. Okay.
First time there is a bull and has a leg.
What do you mean? It doesn't have leg or what? Come on.
No, has wheels.
Wheel. Because that's a toy, no, darling? Wait, I'm coming to the next question. Wait, I'm coming. Okay. Now look at the other toys. Now this is over here, you can see a bullock, which is made of wood.
Yes.
Now the other toys, which are modern type toys, I think you are familiar with, right? You have seen
Yeah.
these toys somewhere or the other on picture or on Google. Now, if you can see this, what I'm
For
saying,
the babies.
for the
the
baby.
babies,
Yes.
yes.
Actually, most of these toys were used for, okay, at that time, children would play it. But today, nowadays, we see mostly these kind of toys.
They use it for work.
For work. And yeah. So, what they was to use for work, they would make it as artifacts. Like they would use clay and make the same article as small, like to keep like a showpiece for them, because that was a way they would spend their time. Now, if you look at this picture that I'm showing you with my cursor, you can see the two wheels, two sticks, and here there are two sticks, right? So as they would drag this along, these two
Oh,
sticks would be like a drum.
it's like a mow. The mowing thing.
No, but this is mowing. This is a truck over here to carry. Yeah, I'm talking about this one. Something in Arabic is written over here. Right, this is from in Pakistan. They play this game for children. Like, you know, in the past, they would play, there would be a piece of wood over here with a stick. And these two would join. So as you're dragging this along, this stick would hit on this and make a sound of a drum. Ting, 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 sound would come.
Song.
Ting, ting, ting.
Only that here, ting, ting, ting. Okay, next we go to the next slide. Okay, now this is another toy that they have found in the Indus Valley civilization. And they say that this may be a model of someone's pet. So now this is a clay toy of the
Pet?
past. Yeah, a pet dog, domesticated animals.
But
Right?
what is like?
Where's the leg? The leg is broken, my darling, because this is so many years ago. No, it was found in the excavation. When they dug up the ground, they found these pieces. So, and because it's clay, it has got damaged, right? These are all broken pieces. They're not the full complete piece of the toys. And this is the clay models of today's modernized toys. Now, let us analyze the artifacts. What do you mean analyze? Come on, let us analyze. What do you mean by analyze? I'm going to ask you a question where I want you to think. First question. What conclusion can be drawn about childhood in the Indus Valley civilization? Now you saw all these toys and the game that they have used in the Indus Valley. So what do we understand about the childhood at that time? Like now what is your childhood today? How do you compare your childhood to that childhood?
Better.
Of course, much better.
Because now there's technology.
Excellent. Now there's technology. But what can be drawn from this? Now when you look at the toys over there, what can you think about? What do you think? How do children must have spent their childhood?
They only farm.
They only farm. That is A. What else?
Their toys are
They play catching.
Come on. They
the
farm.
toys are
Did they go to school at that time? Did they have schooling?
No.
No.
No. How do you think how do they learn over there? How do they learn things?
Their parents teach them.
To their parents. Very good. To their parents and ancestors, right?
Yeah.
And what about that? There are so many toys we found. So what do we understand?
theirs is old.
Yeah, that is true. Days is old, but what else? Okay, I will give you let's see what is it. Read, all of you.
Childhood in the Indus Valley included time for children to play with toys and games.
Yes, that shows that from these excavations, from these toys that are found, it shows that those children at that time, they had time to play, childhood games to play. Like today, as we said, today our lives are better. Yes, our lives are better because we have technology. Imagine today you're sitting at home and learning what you would have been doing in the school today, right? But it's because of technology, we can do an online live lesson. But what happens in those days, even though they did not have technology, the children had time to play.
Yes.
And even, okay, 1 minute, sorry. And the children had time to play and they spent the time, valuable time. Like for us, even in our days, we used to play games with all these toys. But today it is different. Today we have got very limited time. Okay, let's go to see over here. Sorry, I went back. Okay, let's see the pictures over here. One more picture will not come. Let's go to the next. How do some of these toys reflect the way of life on agricultural society? How does it affect? How does it reflect on agricultural society? We've seen some pictures of the toys where they had the bullock and the wheels, right? The carts. Okay, see the pictures over here. So what does it tell you? Who's going to read this for me? Abdullah Sahel, the toy.
The toy OX drawn cart may be similar to a full-sized OX drawn cart.
OX,
The
no, darling.
framework
It's ox drawn. Ox is another word for bullock.
OX drawn cart that farmers used, while some toys such as the ram show domesticated farm animals.
Yes. So what they're trying to tell us that these toys that they made reflect or show that how they would use these animals for their main occupation. And what was their main occupation? Their main occupation was farming, agriculture. And the domestic animals during the Indus Valley civilization. And Do you think that people still domesticate these animals, look after these animals?
Yes,
Why?
because they're animals.
Because they're animals.
I don't
How
know.
do these animals help them?
Oh, the chicken, it gives you eggs, and the sheep, it gives you meat.
Meat, milk, wool. Cow gives you milk. It helps in agriculture. So see how they made use of these animals which were domesticated. They were wild animals. They started taming them, looking after them. Okay, we got 7 minutes more. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, let's read the question. Are these toys more different from or similar to the present day toys?
Very different.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are different. Why? Come on, Khalid, read this.
Today there is a greater variety of toys, and toys as the ones shown in the pictures are often made of different materials
Such as plastic. This you are familiar with, right?
Yeah.
Yes, these toys you are familiar because you have been playing with these kind of lovely, beautiful toys made of plastic, made of metals and durable material. See the toys, what is the difference between the toys made of the clay and toys made today? Which is long lasting?
Uh,
The
toys
toy
that
made of clay.
The
Clay.
toys made of clay is long lasting?
yes.
Yeah.
No, is made of, okay, why do you say long lasting?
Because it's from the
Because
past.
Plastic, it can break easily, and
yeah,
they're not.
it
Very
can
good.
break easily.
Okay, that's a good, very good insight. Thank you, boys. Good, very good. Good insight and good idea. Okay, now look at the next games. Okay, what is the activity?
Compare and contrast.
Compare and contrast. So we just got about 4 minutes left. So we can just look at the pictures of the toys given below. Now, if you look at the first picture, this is a game of a marble game,
Yes.
right? And you know how to play this game. You're supposed to move the marble where it goes right
And you
to
need
the
to,
center.
and you need to make it in the center. Yes.
Yes, very good. So now if you look at this, okay, as you are aware, now this is a marble game made of clay. This is made of wood. Marbles are made of glass or made of different types of, hardened material. So it can be stronger, like the, not, and more colorful, unlike the past. So with this, we come to the end of our lesson. Now, what do we understand from this lesson?
How from the olden days toys are made.
How from the olden days, the games and toys
Are made.
are made.
Yeah, and what's the difference between
The new
before
toys.
The new toys and old toys. And what else? One more point you missed out. The games are still, the games that we found are marble games and all of the past, right? Are they still used today?
No. Yeah.
Still used today?
Yes.
Yes.
But are they used in the same way? What is the difference over there? Come on, are they used in the same way that we play marble board games?
No.
They use the same way, but they change the
The
color.
designs are same, the idea is same, but today these games are more modified, more modern. Yeah, it's made in different designs, more colorful, so it attracts children, attracts people to play these games. So with this, I come to the end of my lesson. I will post this PowerPoint on Edmodo for you to go through it once again. And I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for coming and thank you for making me happy. Okay, enjoy yourselves and take care of.
Wait. Miss.
Yes,
Can I tell them something?
regarding.
بعد هذا عندنا science.
أدري بس ما تعرف.
نعرف
أيوة.
الساعة 11. الساعة 11. أيه.
So, okay, boys.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much, Abdullah. Thank you boys for coming. I'm happy to see all of you. Take care. Bye.
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 السلام عليكم.
مع السلامة يا.
أشوفكم على خير.